welcome back to my channel. It's Sharee, and today I'll be showing you guys how I put in my contacts. So the first thing I like to do before I even touch my face or anything is open up my contacts lens, which are these. And today I'm using the Solotica's contacts in the color Mellow. And now I have to write on eyelids which contact goes in which eye, because I keep putting the prescription one in the wrong eye, which you don't want to do if you don't want to be blind. So I have to do that now because I keep doing that. And the second thing I like to do is go wash my hands. So after my hands are clean, the next thing I like to do is put in eye drops to get my eyes a little moist, because contacts could be very dry into the eyes. So I put eye drops in first. So we're gonna do that. And you can use any eye drops you have. It doesn't have to be a specific one. Just make sure it's not expired. So I'm going to start off with my right eye. So what I like to do is take out my contacts for my right eye, rinse it off with the BioTrue Contact Lens solution. Then what I like to do is take my pointer finger, put the contact on it on the side like this. Make sure the lens isn't contorted in any way. This looks pretty well. Take my other hand, grab and pull down the lower half of my eye, look up, and just put it in my eye. So let's do that. Rub out any eye bubbles. And then we're going to do it to the next eye. So take out the contact, rinse it off with the solution, tap off the excess solution in the lens, put it on our finger, grab our under eye, look up, oop, almost dropped it. And this is how the contacts look in a darker setting. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye!